4 police motorcycles and police cars. 4 ambulances in one single spot on the Levante beach. 3 police vehicles and another marine savement. More ambulances coming up, and the ones that have doctor and advanced support, looking for someone inside of the sea and helping those who are in complete shock. An absolutely bizarre black day on the Levante beach is waiting for us today. We did not expect what we will be filming in this video. This was supposed to be a regular video of Levante beach, of Benidorm town here, Benidorm, Costa Blanca, Spain, right now, mid-September almost. We did not expect what you are about to see. First of all, we were first surprised with police officers here on the entrance of the triangular square. But these ones are here just to regulate the traffic for those who are not allowed to pass to the emissions neutral zone and put a fine if they have to. All the rest of people here having a walk down the promenades, Mediterranean Avenue. This feels like a normal day. Some tourists are sheltering right below the century-old ficus tree with their luggage, waiting to be picked up by the numerous shuttle buses that are arriving to the area. Beniconnect, Jet2 Holidays, TUI UK, EasyJet, you name it. Different types of companies are bringing people here and picking them to bring directly towards the airport. It is quite hot still. Don't be fooled, even though it is September. It is still 30, 32 degrees on the outside. The sun is really, really hot and it's shining quite strongly. So this is still summertime in Spain. Take necessary precautions if you will be coming here on holidays. Starbucks and all the local cafeterias have plenty of people on the terraces, grabbing some drinks, mostly some snacks, something refreshing for themselves to enjoy a day in the shade before they continue their discovery of Benidorm. From here, we are heading towards the Levante beach to show you what is going on out there, how busy the Levante beach actually is, if there's quite a lot of people, if you can get a prime spot on the beach by the seashore. Quite a lot of traffic, especially cars who are going the opposite direction, by the way, which is really, really strange. And usually it's not the case. This is not the direction that cars should go, but you'll see why in a second. The Chinese bazaar shops, everything's open. Monkey Rent, which is bicycle, mobility scooter rentals. And they do have some electric scooters, some mobility scooters here available too. Different types of shops and stores. Some lovely restaurants that we will be featuring very soon here on the channel, like Murcian Mesón. Really, really good, typical Spanish place. Authentic Spanish, by the way. And our favorite ice cream shop, which is Amor Real, right here on the right side. Some of the best gelato here in whole Benidorm. Number one for us, definitely. They even have a activity to actually show you how they make ice cream, and you can make your own ice cream here. It's previous reservation, but it is available for you. Right there on the Levante beach, we immediately spot 2 police quads. These are the ones that are electric. These are the ones who are used for the beach, for the safety, to get faster to any point of location. 2 of these quads, the only 2 that are available here on the beach, are here on the Levante beach. And you know that something's wrong when you have 2 vehicles cutting out the way and 3 motorcycles with police here. That's when you know that something is not going right. 3 vehicles, a lot of people by the beach, watching at what is going on. And right there in front of us, we have 3 or 4 ambulances. Usually on the Levante beach and Poniente beach, we have specific ambulances that are not like a typical ambulance that goes all around the city. There's a special ambulance which stays on the beach, one on the Levante beach and one on the Poniente beach. And these ambulances move really, really fast to the area they need to. These are called salvamento marítimo, like marine saving. And this comes really, really fast. This is the one that you see right there in front. SVB is the basic vital support. This is actually the ambulance of the municipality. There's two of the safety ones here. One basic one, and right there on the left side, there's SAMU. If you see the ambulance of SAMU, which are completely yellow and red, just know that this is the matter of life and death. These ambulances come with a doctor. This ambulance have an advanced and urgent medical support. These are the ones, oh my God, and two police cars and another safety here. Oh my goodness. This is a lot of police vehicles. This is not good at all. This is not good. When the local police is involved, and so many of them, these ambulances, they go to worst case scenarios. They go when things are really, really bad already and it's dangerous and the life is in danger. That's when these usually arrive. All the people are here looking at what is going on. Look at all this mass amount of people. My goodness, but they're not going anywhere. I wonder what is actually happening. And there's one more police motorcycle right there. Everyone's just looking at what's going on. This is the worst thing. And there's another police car right there. And there's another ambulance coming. Oh my world. See, this year has been the worst year so far in Benidorm. I'm not sure what's happening. Maybe marine currents somehow changed, shifted. But this year we had so many drownings on the beach in Benidorm. We've never ever had this amount. So something must be happening. It is impossible that it's just happening out of nowhere. Something must be going on with the currents or something, because this is not a normal thing to happen. It's definitely not. So something must be going on. So far we have no information whatsoever about it. But we just know, because if not, these things will not be occurring. That is bizarre. Honestly, I would like to say that I hope the person is well, but I think it's already the search inside of the sea, sadly. I definitely feel it's going to be this. Oh, someone's not going to be receiving a good news, sadly, today. Some police vehicles departed already because there's quite a lot of them. Others are staying here probably to certify. When it comes to the search, police needs to be present because they need to certify that everything's been followed, all the protocols, everything. The bed is here. Look at this. There is even the bed here just in case they save the person, just in case they find the person. The bed is literally here waiting. Like the ambulance bed. Oh, what is going on inside of our city? I don't get it. What is happening? I wish someone would tell us what is going on, why so many people are drowning. I know some went on swimming with a red flag, but today is not a red flag. It's a normal day. And it also happens on normal days. Why? Why is this happening? I don't get it. I absolutely don't get it. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's already over. It is already over. Someone just went missing in the sea and they're searching the area for the body probably. See that boat? They are diving and they're searching with the boat for the person who drowned. Oh. I hope the person will be in peace. If the person didn't survive, I hope that person will rest in peace, honestly. This is not good at all. There's another ambulance right there, I suppose, for the people who got affected by it, because seeing things like these, we have chills all over the body right now. And we would normally, I cannot even speak. Normally we would not be showing you these types of videos, but we know that there's a lot of subscribers of ours who are coming here, and There's a lot of families with kids, there's parents, there's friends, there's relatives, there's family, husbands, wives, and well, people have to see what might happen if you're not careful, right? You have to be informed about everything that's going on. And hopefully, if people see this, these things can be avoided. Because this is the worst that can ever happen to you on holiday. And there's some people already there who are affected by it. Not because they are like bad because of like the sunshine, but because people see what happened, and people get anxiety, people faint, people get a lot of stress. We are stressed out right now, and it's impossible to stay here with the ambience that there is. But you have to know that this year has been the worst one. Not sure why. We'll try to figure it out for you guys, but be very careful when you're coming here to Benidorm town. Be safe.